Have you been trying your hands on Reddit but still haven't gotten any business out of it? You're not alone. A lot of founders jump into Reddit hoping to find leads, build traction, or even go viral, but end up getting frustrated when nothing works. And by now, we can all agree that Reddit has a huge potential. It's one of the most active platforms where people are already talking about their problems, asking for recommendations, and looking for solutions. But it's also not your average social media platform. It does not work like LinkedIn, Twitter, or Instagram. After talking to several founders and marketers who have tried growing on Reddit, I have noticed that most of them are making the same core mistakes again and again. So in this video, I have put together 5 mistakes founders make while promoting their product on Reddit so that you don't have to learn the hard way. Let's dive in. The first and probably the most common mistake is over self-promotion. I can't tell you how many times I have seen this. Someone randomly dropping in their website link or landing pages in every possible thread, whether it's related to the discussion or not. They would leave a one-liner like, "Hey, check out my product," or "Hey, we have built a solution for the same problem," and boom, link drop and they're out. From the viewer's perspective, it feels lazy and self-centered. Think about it. If you are browsing a thread looking for genuine opinions or looking for a solution and someone just jumps in and throw a link over there, would you click it? Probably not, because it looks like spam. It adds zero value to the conversation and it actually pushes people away from your brand. Instead of leading with your product, lead with your insights. Join the conversation. Try to help people out there. In this way, people will actually get to know you first than your product. Make them believe that they want your product and it will help them in numerous ways. Believe me, the difference in response is huge. Now, mistake number 2, and this happens a lot. DMing everyone in a subreddit. Some founders think, "Oh, this person just commented something relevant. Let me just shoot him with my product link." And then they repeat it 30 times over. The problem, most of these messages are completely cold, totally impersonal, and honestly kind of intrusive. You didn't take time to understand the person or read their post or to figure out what they actually need. Then why should they care about your product? Cold outreach can work only when it is done right. It's not about messaging everyone. It's about messaging the right people in a way that sounds helpful and not desperate. If you are targeting niche communities or early adopters, you have to be more intentional. Before reaching out to them directly, read their post once or twice. Try to understand what problem they are trying to solve. Then and only then, reach out to them with a short personalized message. Mention their post, acknowledge their pain point, and show them how your product can actually help them. And this small change can actively differentiate on how people respond. Mistake number 3, chasing traffic instead of targeted leads. When you are building something new, watching that traffic graph go up feels like a win. You check your analytics and go like, "Yay, 200 people visited my website today." But let's pause for a second. Is that traffic actually doing anything for your business? Because if it's just random Reddit users clicking out of curiosity with no intent to buy, try, or use the product, then it's just noise. What you really want isn't just traffic. You want qualified traffic. Mistake number 4, not adding value. Reddit is one of the few places where people actively come looking for help and not just content. And that's exactly where most founders go wrong. Instead of helping, they start selling. When you join a subreddit, your first instinct shouldn't be, "How can I plug my product in here?" It should be, "How can I help someone today?" Offer a useful perspective, even if it has nothing to do with your product at first. When people see you are genuinely helpful, they begin to trust you. And that's when the door opens to talk about your product, not before. Mistake 5, zero brand presence. Now, this is super important, especially if you're a new founder trying to make your product stand out. Think about it. How do you recognize YouTube? The red icon with the play button, right? You don't have to even say the name, you just know. That's the power of brand identity, and you need that even on Reddit. So what does building brand presence on Reddit actually feel like? start with the basics. Use your brand's color, logo, and tone of voice. Keep your Reddit profile updated with a clear bio, product link, and your profile picture. Post and comment under a name that represents your brand. The goal is very simple. Build consistency across every touch point so that no matter where a potential customer sees you, on Reddit, on Twitter, they immediately recognize the brand. So those were the biggest 5 mistakes founders make while promoting on Reddit. If you have made any of these, don't worry. Reddit is a tricky platform, but if you show up the right way, it can be a powerful platform to connect with the real customers. And if you're looking for a more smarter and targeted way to grow on Reddit without being spammy, that's exactly what Promoty is built for. Promoty helps you find leads, engage in real conversation, build trust with the right people at the right time. It's like having a Reddit growth assistant 24/7. You can get started with Promoty at just $9 a month. The link is in the description. Go check it out. And if you have found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and drop a comment if you have any questions or Reddit struggles of your own. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.